today to once again honor the heroism of these 6 friends who stood up to the villain Discord and saved Equestria from eternal chaos.
Sweet cookie!
No! We didn't do it! He did!
I
don't believe you! Blast you!
The Lords did it!
Lost? What is that? Lord's a fruit bush! It didn't fit on the vest. Ah, crud.
Get him!
Shuffle swiftly!
Well, I wanted to wear the vest. Okay, let's do this.
No, wait! We don't lower ourselves by fighting apples!
Shuffle, 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 shuffle!
Ow! That hurts! God!
Whoa! Ah! What happened?
We lost Apple!
No, you didn't.
Whoa! Apple, you were surrounded back there.
Yeah, I was. Guess I'm a lot tougher than... I should have stayed home.
Those squashies ruined our rep!
Whoa, Pear, don't look so glum.
I'm not! My face is still stuck! Every neighborhood watching the market is gonna be over our juice now!
What's the quickest route back to the fruit cart?
Deli Street.
You mean... Let me touch it!
Gulp!